Hey beauties, your girl Dimepiece back with another beauty tutorial, and it's featuring Rasta Free's sister company, Fashion Source Wig Collection. And I'm actually wearing a style right now. It looks so natural, right? She is a wig. She's a unit from Fashion Source Wig Collection, and she's a high temperature unit. HT Jones is her name. Let me show you. The color that I'm wearing is FS4/30. This is the info tag that comes with it, but literally she's so natural, it literally looks like yours. And I wanted color, and I love this exact color that's on this info tag, so I had to get it. But yeah, I love it, and we're gonna get into it later in the video to let you know why Jones is an HT unit. But I already showed you the info tag. I do want to show you what the packaging looks like. It looks like this. So this is exactly what you can look for when you go to your beauty supply store. If they don't have it, request it. But this is the packaging. And I like to hold on to both my packaging and my info tag, just a reminder of how I can wear it, and then also how I can take care of my HT Jones unit. So that's the info tag that I hold on to. And of course the packaging, just being a DJ and beauty stylist on the go, I wanna make sure that while traveling, my units are definitely well taken care of and safe. So I usually just pack my units in their packaging, and when I'm ready to wear it, I'll just take it out. So yeah, or I get a wig head. Hey girl. So, but definitely with traveling, I love just putting her back into her packaging. But yes, you guys, this is the HT Jones unit. So the reason why she is called HT, she's high temperature, meaning you can put heat and style it just like human hair. And she can take up to 360 degrees of heat. And I already have my flat iron ready, and I'm gonna show you just really kind of what you can do. You can add curls to it, you can straighten it. But yeah, it's a blown out texture, and that's what I love about it. It's so natural looking. My hair is like this when I blow it out. But if you did want to straighten it a little bit, make it a little bit more sleek, add some curls to it, a little volume, you can do that with a curling iron, flat iron. I don't want too much curl, so I'm actually going to use a flat iron, and I do have it set to 360 degrees. If you can see it, not trying to burn my hand, but I'm just going to show you real quick of how you can apply heat to HT Jones and style just like human hair. All right, so let's get started. So I'm just going to take a low section, and I do have my brush. Let me grab that. Make sure the strands are separated and ready to straighten. And I'm just going to take my iron. Super easy, just like so. So literally just added some more shine and sleekness to it. You can kind of see the difference here versus it straight. So I'm going to part some more and show you guys a little bit more on how you can straighten and add some more sleekness to it. And again, my curling iron or flat iron is set to 360 degrees of heat. Look at that. So again, you can see the difference here. So it really depends on the look that you're looking for. If you want a little bit more, sleekness to it, go ahead and add some heat. Or if you kind of want that natural kind of blowout look, go ahead and leave it like this. But I want my wig to match, so I'm gonna go ahead and go around and finish applying heat to my HT Jones unit. So I'm gonna grab my brush, and I'm gonna take the section. I'm actually gonna split it just because it is a little bit on the full side, which I love about this. There we go. And I'm gonna take that same area but the bottom. Brush that area out. Doesn't take as much work. I'm literally just doing like 1 or 2 swipes with my iron. And there we go. So pretty. So again, you can already see the difference. Let me put some of that, there we go. Because that part I have not straightened yet, but just so you can kind of see the difference in the straightened side and then just the natural texture, the way the HT Jones come in the packaging. So, all right, you guys, so let's go ahead and continue. I'm just gonna add a little bit of a curl to the front part of my bang so it can kind of, there we go, curve to my forehead. There we go. I like it. And I like kind of like the natural kind of like edgy cut that it has on the unit and also on the bangs. It just makes it look even more natural. All right, you guys, so still gonna apply more heat to my wig. Bear with me, but super easy. You can do it on your head. You can do it on your head or on your wig head, whichever you prefer. But being that I'm live with you guys right now, just gonna go ahead and do it right now while I have it on. Going to the other side. Now, depending on how straight you want it, you could straighten it with like a comb or a brush. So basically you're combing through the hair pieces and hair sections. So basically you're combing through the hair sections as you're straightening it with the iron. To me, you only want to do that if you want it super, super straight. So I'll kind of just show you real quick what I mean. So again, taking a more smaller section, and I have my brush and my flat iron. So basically I'm going to take my flat iron onto the hair, but I'm going to comb it out just so the hair is even more sectioned off and straightened as I go through, so it gives it more of a sleeker look than this side. So really, it depends on how sleek you want it, how natural you want it. I don't want it as sleek, so I'm not gonna do that method, but just wanted to share that with you too, if you wanted your HT Jones unit to be a little bit more straighter and sleeker. I like it, you guys. It literally changed the look of this unit. This is the HT Jones unit from Fashion Source Wig Collection in color FS4/30, and we just added some heat and it literally, yeah, gave it a makeover. So we went from natural to more of a sleek, natural kind of silk press look going on with the HT unit. And again, this unit can take up to 360 degrees of heat. You can style it just like human hair. I use a flat iron. You can use a curling iron. You can throw some crimps in there. I want to have some fun and put some Farrah Fawcett curls right here in the front. Again, the styles are endless. You can wear it in its natural state. As soon as you take the HT Jones unit outside of the box, you can add some heat to it. You can take up to 360 degrees of heat. You can curl it. You can straighten it like we did in this video, or you can add some curls to it, some crimps. The styles is endless. Have fun with it. That's what's so dope about this unit. It's so natural and you can style it like human hair. So I've already added the curls to the bangs. I've added the sleek straightness into the unit. So let's see. Let's get a little section and put a little bit of a Farrah Fawcett kind of vibe to it. So let's see. And you know, it already has kind of layers in it. Look at that. It's moving and grooving. All right. So I'm gonna take my flat iron and instead of curling it inward, I'm just gonna curl it not too long. Remember, we're styling it like human hair, but it's technically, you know, it's not human hair. It's just high temperature fiber. Within the unit, so have fun with it, beauties. This is the H.T. Jones unit from Fashion Source Wig Collection. Let me show you the packaging again so you don't forget. Please request this at your local beauty supply store. Looks just like this. It's titled Quality HTF, which is High Temperature Fiber, H.T. Jones. And if you're wondering the color that I'm wearing, here it is, the info tag is FS4/30. So it's a nice blend of a deep dark brown and also kind of a little bit of like a blonde, kind of sandy brown to it. So yes, H.T. Jones high temperature fiber can take up to 360 degrees of heat. Style it like curling hair. Show you the before, you know, where we had a little bit more body going on. And then here's the after applying some heat to the H.T. Jones unit. So which look do you like the best? Do you like it more natural? Do you like it more straight? I'll go ahead and answer. I do like it more natural, so that's why I prefer rocking it in its natural state first, because once you straighten it, it'll kind of stay this way, you know, for the most part. So get your wears out with the natural state, and then I knew I can always apply heat later and give it that nice sleek look. Also applying heat to any Fashion Source wig unit that takes high temperature fiber, it also refreshes the wig and adds more kind of life to it as well. It just straightens out the fiber, softens it a little bit as well. So make a note of that as well. If you have other units, don't be afraid to apply some heat to it to kind of soften up and liven up, freshen up your wig again, all right? So again, this is the H.T. Jones unit. I'm rocking the color FS4/30, but it's available in so many other colors. Check them out on social media at FS_wigs, Fashion Source Wig Collection, and also follow and check out their sister brand Rasta Free at Rasta Free Braid on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and of course on Facebook. Be sure to follow me too on all social media outlets at DJ Dimepiece. Thank you so much for watching. It's been a pleasure. You already know I got a new hairstyle on the way, and this time I'll give you a little hint. It's gonna be from Rasta Free Braid. So stay tuned. Be sure to hit that like button. And be sure to comment, let me know what you enjoyed about this video. What do you want to see on the next video? You have any questions about this unit? Feel free to drop it in the comments below. Also, please subscribe so you don't miss out on future alerts. You can also be more proactive by clicking that bell notification so you get alerts as soon as I drop a video. All right, thank you so much. I'll catch you on the next video.